Hey bro, want to grow your email list and connect with your customers? Adding a customized email sign up section to your Shopify store is super easy. Let me show you how. First of all, log into your Shopify admin and click Online Store. Then click Themes. Choose the theme you are using and click Customize. Inside the theme editor, look for the Add Section button and select newsletter or any similar option depending on your theme. This will create a simple sign up form on your store. Edit the text and design. Add a catchy headline like Stay in the Loop or Get Exclusive Offers. You can also adjust the colors, fonts, and placement to match your store's vibe. Once you are happy with the look, click Save to publish the changes. Your email sign up section is now live. That's it. Start building your email list and growing your business. Like and follow for more Shopify tips. Thanks for watching.